Building custom software to manage your digital life no longer requires manual programming. We can now watch a system assemble itself using zero code. This is the Content OS. It is a desktop dashboard pulling live analytics from multiple platforms, applying content repurposing logic, and managing an automated inbox. The system responsible for this build is OpenAI's Codex. It is a dedicated desktop application running on the GPT 5.5 model. While standard AI models interact through text, Codex operates local desktop software by controlling mouse and keyboard inputs like a human user. By executing these sequential software tasks, the model functions as an autonomous tool builder rather than a text generator. AI agents have historically been restricted to browser windows or required pre-configured API connections to interact with other software. We can test the current limits of Codex by asking it to bridge a live website and a local document processor. Instructive. Using a two-sentence prompt, we instruct the AI to use Google Chrome and Apple Notes to document OpenAI's recent product releases. Without human intervention, Codex opens Chrome, scrapes the data from the website, and switches to the local Notes app to format a structured document with headlines and bullets. This process involves no developer plugins. The AI navigates the existing user interface of these apps just as a person would. Eliminating the need for rigid API setups allows AI agents to be deployed across a much wider variety of everyday software tools. To build the Content OS, we provide a single master prompt that outlines the architecture for a native Mac application. The project requires the AI to integrate live data streams from YouTube, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn, and an email newsletter. We deploy the system in full auto mode, which permits the AI to resolve multi-stage decisions and execute code without pausing for user confirmation. To maintain operations, we implement a heartbeat script, pulsing the connection at 30-minute intervals. As a safeguard, we connect a voice AI tool. If the system hits a terminal error, it triggers a physical phone call for help. After leaving the machine running for 9 hours, we wake up to a complete, functional codebase. This proves that with established guardrails, AI can handle the logic and execution of software engineering tasks unsupervised. Examining the Operations tab reveals how the system managed the most difficult part of the build, authenticating external platforms. The logs show the AI spent 2 hours independently driving the browser to navigate Google's authentication screens for the YouTube data connection. However, the Instagram connection failed because Meta's security protocols rejected the initial API token request. Instead of crashing, the AI coded a mitigation strategy. It configured the app to pull from a local archive of cached data so the dashboard remained functional despite the broken connection. In the Content tab, the AI identifies which posts are performing above the median and suggests how to adapt that specific logic for different platforms. The Inbox tab uses local processing to filter through thousands of entries, automatically flagging business inquiries and partnership requests. This capacity to dynamically bypass fatal errors in real time is what defines a truly autonomous system. In a single night, the process moved from a text prompt to a functioning multi-platform management system. This leap is driven by GPT 5.5's improved multi-step reasoning, which allows the model to plan out long-duration tasks. Previous models failed at this scale because they could not maintain the necessary context while switching between different APIs and application environments. This demonstration shows that users can now generate tools tailored to their specific workflows, which provides a path toward building custom software instead of relying on generic subscriptions. Tools like Codex allow individuals to orchestrate complex systems. The only remaining question is what you will choose to build first.